Welcome everyone, this is Brian with Brink Analytics. Today I'm going to talk about the chart feature of the Permanent Insights mapping platform. Now, the charts are over on the right hand side and you can access them by either grabbing the scroll bar, or if you have a scroll wheel on your mouse, you can easily just scroll up and down once the mouse is on top of the charts. Now, a key thing to know is that each of these charts is linked to the data that you see on the map. So as you pan or zoom within the map itself, the charts will immediately update to reflect whatever is visible on the map that you're currently looking at. So sometimes you might have data that's not on the map and therefore it won't be reflected in the charts. Now, another handy feature of the charts is this little paintbrush icon. So as an example, if I want to color the points on the map by the builder, I can just click that paintbrush icon. If I want to color by zip code, you can come down and then color by zip code. And now you can see that everything's broken apart geographically. As another example, we'll go ahead and color by county as soon as the counties update. And you can see here, there's the various counties in the Orlando area. Another cool thing that the charts can do is allow you to filter the data very quickly in meaningful ways. So as an example, perhaps I'm interested in filtering only on Seminole County, and I'm only interested in certain zip codes. So let's just click a few zip codes, and you'll see that immediately the map has now been reduced to Seminole County and those zip codes. And you can continue to apply filters. So as an example, let me recolor the map based upon the construction type. So this is the type of permits that were located at these sites. And let's say I'm only also interested in swimming pool data. So if you click on swimming pools, you're now reduced to only the Seminole County, only the 3 zip codes that were selected, and only the swimming pools and spas type of permit. And if you go hit the data table view, you can easily see that's all you're left with. Construction type is all swimming pools. If we go back to the map, now perhaps I was a little too restrictive and I don't like the fact that I filtered on zip codes. I just want the county and the type of permit. So I can go down to the zip code and I can actually remove that filter by hitting this X. If I do that, you can see now I have the entire county, but still only the pools. Now if I want to reset all my charts at the same time, a quick and easy method to do that is actually just hit reset charts, and that'll instantly open everything up. Now you'll notice here that some of these types of permits are actually colored gray, and you'll see those on the map. There's one, there's one, there's one. That's because at the time I hit the paintbrush icon, those markers didn't exist and they did not get colorized. If I go ahead and re-click the color paintbrush, you can see now demolition is colored purple, and you can see that those points were updated. This can happen at any point, whether the original permits that you were looking at were filtered out, or because you were looking at a specific area and you moved the map around and then the data didn't exist. So if you're getting gray points and you're curious as to why, you probably just need to click the paintbrush icon again and recolorize the data based upon what's visible on the map. Now, one other feature that you should know about is the ability to just type in what you're looking for. So let's, in this case, type in Lennar Homes LLC. It actually happened to already be there, but let me click on this one. And immediately you'll notice that Lennar has been only filtered out, and we can actually zoom way out. And here's the areas within Florida that Lennar is building. And that's very handy features. So even if you only know a partial name of what you're looking for, you can easily type it in, give it a second to do the search, and you'll find that you'll get all the results back that contains your search term that you're looking for. And you can stack those on top of each other just like anything else. And if you want to remove it, again, you can either hit the X if you want to just remove that one chart, or you can reset all the charts at the same time. Go ahead and colorize again by the construction type. And there you go. So that's it for charts. Hopefully you'll find that helpful. Thanks again for your time and appreciate you using our product.